Hello all, this is Karthik Khatik and today in this session we are going to discuss about the daemon thread in multi-threading. So what is a daemon thread in Java? Daemon thread in Java is a service provider thread that provides the services to the other user thread that is running. Its life depends on the mercy of a user thread, that is when all the user thread dies, JVM terminates this thread automatically. There are many Java daemon threads running automatically, example garbage collector and finalizer. As we all know that garbage collector automatically frees the memory whenever an object is destroyed in Java. Garbage collector uses no specific techniques or strategy to free this memory. And you can see all the details by typing the JConsole in the command prompt of your computer or laptop. The JConsole tool provides the information about the loaded class, memory uses, running thread, etc. So, points to remember for a daemon thread in Java. It provides the services to the user thread for background supporting tasks. It has no role in life than to serve user threads. Its life depends on the user thread and it is a low priority thread than the other running thread. Now, why JVM terminates the daemon thread if there is no user thread? Suppose that if we don't have any user thread running on our in our program, then what will happen with the daemon thread? The sole purpose of a daemon thread is that it provides a service to the user thread for background supporting tasks. If there is no user thread, then why should JVM keep running this thread? That is why JVM terminates a daemon thread if there is no user thread. Methods for Java daemon thread via thread class. The java.lang.thread class provides two methods for Java daemon thread, which is public void set daemon. Boolean status, it can either be true or false, is used to mark the current thread as a daemon thread or user thread. And second method is public boolean is daemon, is used to check that either current thread is a daemon or not. It is implemented by the java.lang.thread class. So let's take an example for daemon thread. So this is my program uh, to illustrate the purpose of daemon uh, thread. So I should import java.lang.thread package here. Sorry, it can be run without this package also. So this is my program. Its main class is Java daemon thread 1. It's extending to the thread class so that we can perform the multi-threading in this program. This is my run method. As we all know that we need a run method to implement to make a thread run, and this is the body of my daemon thread. So first of all, coming to the main method of this program. In this main method, I am creating the three objects of my main class, creating so that by creating these objects, we are creating the threads. There are three threads, T1, T2, and T3, and we are setting the T1 thread to be a daemon method, creating daemon thread. So with the help of setDaemon method and its argument is a boolean type, so it can either be true or a false. So we need to set a T1 thread to a daemon thread. So we are passing the true in the set argument of the setDaemon method, and hence T1 is now a daemon thread. And now running these threads, I mean starting these threads. Now the control passes to the run method. When the start method is invoked, the control passes to the run method, and in this run method, I am checking whether the passed thread is a daemon thread or not. So checking for daemon method by this daemon thread by this if else statement. So by the help of thread.currentThread, I am checking that this thread is a thread or is a daemon thread or not with the help of is daemon method, and its argument type is also its return type is also true. So if the output, if the thread is a daemon thread, pass the thread to the daemon thread, then the return type of this method will be the return of this method will be true, and hence daemon thread work will get printed, else the user thread work will get print. So running this program, running this program, daemon thread work, user thread work, and user thread work. So first thread is our daemon thread, second thread is our normal thread. So first, when the t1.start method will get invoked, then the control pass will then the control will pass to the run method, and as t1 thread is a daemon thread, so its daemon method will return a true value, and hence if statement will get executed, that daemon thread work will get printed. We can get the ID of thread dot current. These we can get the ID of these threads, so so that you can identify which thread is a daemon thread or not. We are passing the thread or current method in the system.out.println method, so that this will so that this will print the number of executing threads. So this is thread 1, that is a user thread. Thread 2 is a user thread, as a daemon thread is a low priority thread, and it's executing after all the threads, and its value is thread 0. So this is a t1, this is t2, and this is t3. They have the same priority. This is the priority, and this is the main. That these are main. These are the type main thread. So this is all in daemon thread. Thank you.